How to increase the size of your glizzy in 3 easy steps. Now listen, this may sound strange, but trust me, stick with me to the end and I will show you natural ways to make it bigger. First off, you can't actually change the size of what you are genetically born with. However, many men aren't living up to their full potential size. To start, cut out all sodas and sugary foods. These are proven to drastically lower testosterone, the chemical that is responsible for your manhood. Second, consider taking supplements like vitamin D, zinc, and ashwagandha. I already have a video explaining the benefits of vitamin D, but every time we release, we deplete our zinc content, which is critical for building testosterone and increasing the size of your glizzy. And for ashwagandha, it is also proven to boost testosterone, helping you to grow a third leg. Finally, make sure you are getting enough sleep. I recommend 7 to 8 hours and not using your phone or any device that projects blue light, as it interferes with your circadian rhythm and sleep cycle.